We are so excited to see you on Wednesday, the 6th of May, for breakfast with New South Wales Rural Fire Services former Commissioner Shane Fitzsimmons.
My name's Edward Plant.
I'm Rebecca Plant.
And we run the Business League. We run networking events to support you, connect with other business owners, develop your skills, and grow your business.
It is going to be a huge morning. Life altering, business altering, perspective altering, and really a time for us to band together to look at how to effectively lead through crisis and really get into the mind and behaviour of one of Australia's probably greatest leaders right now.
I think Shane is short priced to be Australian of the Year next year, and the event is going to be great. But it's not all about Shane. There's time to network and grow your business. And at the Business League, we run national networking events to support you grow. But right now, we just wanted to run through the event so that you have a bit of an idea about how to get the most out of it.
So how we'll roll is at 6:40am. You're invited to log on and get a place in one of our networking breakout rooms. So this is actual conversations with actual people, not being talked at, but you having a conversation to share about you and a little bit about your business.
So you should have received emails with the URL for the Zoom link in. Make sure you've got it. If not, reply to concierge@thebusinessleague.com.au so that we can resend the information, or check your junk inbox.
Now, we will kick off at 7am with our actual event, and our doors will shut at 7:10. We treat our online events as we would a physical, practical, in-person event. You wouldn't show up 20 minutes late for a live event, so please don't do that for our virtual event too. Doors will be you will get turned away after 7:10, so please be on time.
Our members are really committed to supporting each other and our guests grow their business. They're committed to it, and they want to know that you're committed to that as well.
So make sure you grab yourself some breakfast beforehand. There'll be an opportunity to do what we call table talk. And also then we'll obviously hear from our guest presenter. Plus, there'll be more facilitated networking opportunities with the other 150 odd business people on the line.
So I'll also grab you halfway through the breakfast, answer any questions and have a chat to you about your businesses, do a bit of connection collectively amongst all the guests, and answer any of your questions.
I certainly feel in the privileged opportunity to have this conversation with Shane very publicly in a live Q&A with you and with the rest of our community. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you there.
If you're wanting to find out more about Shane, he was on the project last week. You could watch that snapshot, and he's also on Australian Story tonight. So a heap of background research opportunities. Obviously a high profile, high caliber guy that is going to share candidly with you guys.
I'm Rebecca Plant. That's enough from me until I see you on Wednesday.
I'm Edward Plant.
Be there, be on time. We'll see you then.
See you.